There was a moment when Chancellor White called me where I was saying to myself, is this really happening?
Every emotion possible just burst out of me at once, all in joy. Joy for the campus, joy for us getting to come home, and joy for the opportunity to get to serve the students here.
Mary and I are going to do this as a team. We've been talking about this for the last few months, and before I decided to be considered, we had a long conversation, and I'm going to need her help, and she's thankfully excited, just as excited as I am about this.
I see my role as supporting Joe to help him to be as productive as he can be. I plan on attending functions with him and doing whatever is necessary to help him with in his role. I'm very proud to be a president's wife, and I'm very proud that it's here at Fresno State.
Our entire family has really just gotten involved in this whole experience, and all of us are thrilled about the opportunity.
We have a son who went to UC Berkeley, and he currently lives in El Cerrito. His name is Isaac.
He's working in a school in Richmond it's one of the most disadvantaged schools in all of California, and he's gifted in terms of connecting with young people, and especially young boys who are fatherless.
And then our daughter, who is at Humboldt State. We don't get to see as much of her because of the distance right now, but and her name is Lauren.
She has actually told me that she has friends here through the sorority that she's part of, a Latina sorority, and so she says that I should expect to hear from those students here, and that they're going to help to keep me grounded.
Our youngest one, his name is Jess, and the older children have a very close relationship with him, and he's quite a little character. He basks in all the attention that he's getting from them and now from his grandparents here. My father milked cows for 40 years in the Layton area.
He has been deaf almost his entire life. It was from an illness that he experienced very early on in his life. And he's just an incredibly loving and very strong man. He is a very proud man, and one of the things that I love to see these days is the joy he gets from being around our newest son, Jess, and he just has such a bright smile whenever he sees him.
I love growing up in the Valley, and there's so much about it that I love and that I've missed since we've been away.
So she's definitely going to help me up and down the valley and across the campus. She's very friendly and warm, and she knows the valley and knows a lot of people here, and so we are going to do this together as a team. Fresno State is the most incredible university in the Central Valley, bar none. And so I want to tell the story of how incredible the academic programs are here at Fresno State, and with the athletic programs, again, getting young kids excited about coming from all diverse backgrounds. I'd like to use the presidency of Fresno State as a way to inspire more young people from diverse backgrounds to consider higher education and to know that that's possible. And I have extensive experience working on P through 20 systems throughout California, and it's not rocket science. It takes resources, it takes dedication and long-term commitment, and it can be done. And I've seen it here in the Valley, I've seen it in other parts of the state, and it's my hope that we can further strengthen that work up and down the Central Valley.